Have you ever needed a power outlet in an enclosure to power up accessories like laptops or test equipment? Automation Direct offers several electrical convenience power outlets like these duplex, triple, and quad receptacles to meet your application needs. The FA series are duplex receptacles built in a nylon enclosure with this nice wiring terminal at the end, making wiring termination simple. These are 125-volt AC with a 15-amp rating. They come in both standard and GFCI models and can be mounted by DIN rail or by installing the included bracket and panel mounting with these 4 tabs. The next series is the Fax Engineering designed and built open frame FA triple receptacle. The FA-REC3 has a convenient 3-wire terminal for wiring, and like the previous models, these are also 125 volts AC with a 15-amp rating. These triple receptacles can only be DIN rail mounted. Last, we have the Gladiator brand of quad receptacles enclosed in a polymer housing. They come in both standard and GFCI protected models like this one. These are also 125 volt AC with a 15-amp rating. They can be DIN rail mounted or panel mounted with these 4 feet. All 3 are great additions to any panel, are simple to wire, and keep the panel clean and organized. To learn more about us or these easy-to-install power receptacles, visit AutomationDirect.com.